All right, back in Chill Orbital Stadium. Oh, it's Marshall Maximus Nichols, the most normal person on the roster. Our straight shooter from Chicago, Illinois. Been very successful here at Chill Orbital Stadium thus far. This may be a future top-heavy champion. But tonight, we'll be taking on a different opponent. Who is his opponent tonight? It's Gato. Our Lucha, currently our only Lucha wrestler, but I plan on making a couple more. She's here tonight to take on Maximus Nichols. All right, Maximus Nichols versus Gato. Here we go. Ooh. Max was taking an early lead against Gato. There's some weird stuff going on with the tasks on Gato's model. Really annoying. Like, you see him sticking out, right? It's really weird. All right, we'll lock up. Oh. Okay, rope break. Ref breaking up. Okay, oh! Nichols went for the pin, but it's a little early for that, I think. Oh, Superman punch. What's Gato doing? Oh, missed. Oh, stomping on the arm. That's like that super fucking hurt. Lock up and Gato trying to get out of this bear hug. And she does. And instead puts Nichols in a headlock. Oh. I think she might have broken one of his vertebrae. Again, I don't know what that white flash is. Ooh. Oh, miss. Oh, reversal. He is slippery. Oh, look at this. Oh, now that looks like a... Oh. That was an interesting move. Not sure what to call that. And splashed with reverse momentum. I'm not... Physics in this are kind of weird. Let's face it. Oh. Chipped you now. Oh! You tried that once, and it's failed the second time as well. I think you want to not do that from now on, Gato. Oh, and a slam from Nichols. Oh! Gato going for a pin. Oh! Did not work. And now Gato is working the body of Nichols. Oh! Splash. Another pin attempt. Get it one. Ooh. Oh. Oh, big slams from Maximus Nichols. Oh, going for the pin. Is it over? Kick it at 2. Oh. Big knees. All right. Oh. Oh, and a clothesline. Oh my goodness. Is it over? Gato kicks out at 2. Maximus can't believe it. Oh, now he's setting up for something. Oh, oh. Oh, but a rope break. Could not complete the pin. And now, a rope break again. Now Max is just taking a breather, stretching it out. Oh. Gato reverses. Oh, goes for a pin. Oh, look at this pin attempt. Oh, kick out. Going to the lock up, going to taking his corner. Oh, maybe not. He's powering out of that. Ooh. Oh, what is this? Oh! My goodness! You gotta admire Gato's dexterity. Oh, but what's this? Oh no! Oh! Big slam from Maximus Nichols. I don't think Gato could take much more. Oh. Oh, going for the pin. Is it over? It's over. Maximus Nichols is victorious. Oh, what's this? Oh. Oh, no hard feelings between these two. Ah, you'll love to see it, folks.